everybody, welcome to Tangle Break. Today we're going to be doing this tile, which is from Project Pack 12 from Zentangle headquarters. We're going to be using the 8 basic steps of the Zentangle method. Step number 1 is gratitude and appreciation. I'm thankful for the time that we're going to be able to take a break from our day to relax and draw. And the supplies that we're going to use are a black Micron 01 pen, a brown Micron 01 pen, a General's white chalk pencil, a Zentangle pencil, a Tortillon, a 3.5-inch tan tile. We're going to be using 3 Jelly Roll metallic pens. One's gold, one's a little bit darker, I call it a light bronze, and then a really pretty bluish green aqua color. And let's go ahead and get started. Grab your tile and your brown Micron 01 pen, and we're going to do step 2, which is the corner dots. Step 3 is the border. Step 4 is the string, and we're going to go ahead and divide our tile into 4 boxes. So divide it in half. Then turn your tile and draw a line halfway down. Okay. Switch out to your black Micron 01 pen. And we're going to draw a circle or a sphere in the middle of each box. Okay, now we're going to draw a well. So what you're going to do is go to your circle or your sphere, and we're going to go from the sphere to the corner, just in a little arch. Then we're going to go to each corner from the middle in a little arch. I'm going to turn my tile and go to this corner and the last corner. I'll turn my tile how I started, and I'm going to now do the bottom right-hand corner the same exact way, from the sphere to the corners with an arch. Okay, I'm going to turn my tile back to how I started. And in the remaining 2 boxes, I'm going to mirror what we did and do the opposite. So from the corner, arching to the middle, all the way around. Okay, turn your tile back to how we started, and we're going to do the same thing in this bottom left-hand box that we just did in the top right-hand box. And you can see a meta pattern has started, and that's what we'll be working on when we do our coloring. Just looking at the different angles. And so on this one, we're going to do just like we did from the corner arch to the middle. You can turn your tile to make it easier. Corner arching to the middle. And you can see the meta pattern, or the larger pattern as they call it, is appearing. And one more corner. Just like that over there. And it comes out, arching to the middle. Okay, turning your tile back to how we started. Now we're going to put in some more details. So let's start right here on this tile, this box, and we're going to go from the corner to the middle of that line, from the corner to the middle, and stop. We're going to go from the corner to the middle, and for now, stop. From the corner to the middle, and one more time. The corner to the middle. Okay, now we're going to do the next step, which is going underneath what we just drew at the beginning and joining it to the next corner. So go from the line we just did to the middle, go underneath and join it to the corner. All the way around. Underneath and join it to the corner. And the last one, going underneath and join it to the corner. And that's it. And we're going to do that on each of the boxes. Let's go to the top right box and do the exact same thing. From the corner to the middle. Turn your tile, same thing, from the corner to the middle. From the corner to the middle. And then the last one, from the corner to the middle. Okay, now we're going to extend, go from underneath the middle to the corner. Turn your tile from the middle underneath to the corner. Turn from the middle underneath to the corner. And then the last one, from the middle underneath to the corner. Okay, now we have the last two boxes to do, and we'll do those very similar. So we're going to go on this one from the corner to the middle. Turn your tile from the corner to the middle. From the corner to the middle. And from the corner to the middle. Okay, let's extend. So we're going to go underneath to the corner. up here, we'll turn our tile underneath to the corner. Turn your tile from the corner to the middle underneath, and one last time from the corner to the middle underneath. And that one's done. Okay, we have one box left up at the top. So let's start at the corner to the middle. Okay, turn your tile from the corner to the middle. Turn your tile again from the corner to the middle. And the last one from the corner to the middle. Now we're going to complete those lines underneath. So we're going to go underneath to the corner. Turn your tile. I'm going to go underneath, just like up here. We're going to go underneath to the corner. Turn your tile. Go underneath to the corner. And the last one, go underneath to the corner. Our design is done, and it looks so pretty, just like this. Go ahead and get your brown Micron 01 pen, and we're going to aura the lines, the border lines that we made at the beginning. We're going to go back in and aura that line all the way out, filling in all of the spaces on both sides. Okay, turn your tile, and we'll do the next space right here. Aura that line, the border line, on both sides to fill in that whole space. Okay, turn your tile and do the same thing on this one, on this border here. Turn your tile and let's do the last section. Okay, now we're going to do on the edges of the border where you see the brown line, we're going to aura that. And we're going to do this all the way around the tile. Okay, grab your pencil and we're going to go in and put some graphite on these sections that we just did. The brown auraed sections, just put a little layer of your pencil or your graphite on that. Now grab your Tortillon so that we can just smooth out the pencil marks. Okay, go ahead and grab your pencil and we're going to put in a little more shadow on our design here. So come over here where it looks like it's almost like a little cup. That's where we're going to put some pencil mark, and then right underneath the edges of this one thing coming out along the edge here. So right here in this little cupped area and where it goes underneath. And on this one, where it goes underneath, and this little cupped area down here. The same thing on this side, where it goes underneath, the little cupped area, where it goes underneath, and then the little cupped area on the side. Get your tortillon and just smooth it out in the cupped area and underneath on just those on the top and the bottom. Okay, now grab your white charcoal pencil and we're going to go back to those same areas and put these in white. Oh, I forgot to get this little shadow in. Let's do that real quick. Okay, now get a tortillon, the one that you can use with your white charcoal pencil, and just go over the white charcoal and spread it out. And it smooths it all so you don't see any of the lines. Okay, now grab your metallic Jelly Roll light bronze pen, and we're going to color the outside one that we made. And we'll do this all the way around the whole tile. Now switch out to your metallic gold Jelly Roll pen, and we're going to do this section right here. Okay, now switch out to the greenish blue Jelly Roll and fill in the little orb in the middle. And that really makes it pop. Okay, we're going to do the same thing in each box. So go ahead and grab that light bronze metallic Jelly Roll, and we'll do the outer design first and then work our way in. Okay, switch out to the gold metallic Jelly Roll pen. Okay, now grab the greenish blue metallic Jelly Roll, that pretty aqua color, and fill in the orb in the middle. I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the other two orbs. Okay, now I'm going to switch out to the light bronze metallic jelly roll. Okay, I'm going to go back over this section right here because for whatever reason, it doesn't look metallic. So my pen is flowing really well right now, so I'm going to go back over it. Since my pen is working so well now, I'm going to go ahead and use it on the last box. Okay, I'm going to switch back to the gold metallic jelly roll pen and finish this section in this box and then the other box. Okay, now it's time for step 7, initial and sign. So grab your black Micron 01 pen. And put your initial or your chop on the bottom. And then turn it over on the back. Make sure it's dry. And this was Tangle Break. and we did well. Okay, and step 8 is appreciate again. And you can look at this tile in any direction. And I really like how it shimmers with the metallic gel pens. And I hope you enjoyed our break today. And I will see you next time on Tangle Break. Bye for now.